mother of 2 jailed for frenzied stabbing attack on father of her children. Lisa Smith, 20. Sentenced to 2 years in prison for stabbing partner Terry Grove multiple times following years of abuse. In a shocking turn of events, Lisa Smith, a 20-year-old mother of 2, has been sentenced to 2 years in jail after launching a frenzied attack on her partner, Terry Grove. The incident took place at a friend's house in Wallace Close, Oldbury, leaving Grove with multiple stab wounds. During the trial at Wolverhampton Crown Court, it was revealed that Smith had endured years of abuse at the hands of Grove, which ultimately pushed her to her breaking point. The couple had been in a tumultuous relationship for 4 years, characterized by intense arguments and violence. According to Mr. Nicholas Smith, the prosecuting attorney, the fateful attack occurred on the evening of August 28. Earlier in the day, Smith had confided in some friends, alleging that Grove had held a knife to her throat. As the tension escalated that night, Grove declared his intention to take their son home. In a heated exchange, he threw a knife onto the settee, inadvertently setting the stage for a tragic outcome. Witnesses at the scene reported that Lisa Smith, driven by a surge of emotion, seized the opportunity and grabbed the knife. Without hesitation, she lunged at Grove, stabbing him multiple times in the chest and legs. The weapon in question was described as a small kitchen knife with a 3-inch blade. The severity of the attack left Grove in critical condition, as he suffered a heart attack and required resuscitation by paramedics. Subsequently, he spent 9 days recovering at Sandwell Hospital, grappling with the physical and emotional aftermath of the incident. In her defense, Mr. John Stevenson argued that Lisa Smith was a terrified and easily intimidated young woman. Friends described her as quiet and timid, highlighting the abusive nature of her relationship with Grove. Smith had endured frequent beatings and significant domestic violence, including physical assaults such as being pushed, punched, spat at, having her hair pulled, and having drinks poured over her. She even endured a biting incident that drew blood. Mr. Stevenson further contended that it was Grove who initially possessed the knife, as witnessed by those present, who saw him retrieve it from his trousers and discard it. He argued that the subsequent attack was a spontaneous reaction, the culmination of months, if not years, of abuse that Smith had endured. Taking all the circumstances into account, the court sentenced Lisa Smith to 2 years of imprisonment after she pleaded guilty to wounding. The case sheds light on the complexities surrounding domestic violence and its potentially devastating consequences, underscoring the need for support and intervention in such situations.